Alright, so the overall altcoin market has been really taking a hit with tokens like Safemoon, NFT Art Finance substantially dropping. So during my time making videos about these different cryptocurrencies, observing the communities and really learning more, I've learned quite a few things as first of all a trader, investor, and as a creator. So in this video, I just want to share that message with you guys and what I've learned and what you guys can expect with the altcoin market going forward. So let's jump into the video. So as a trader, I've realized that the pain will most likely continue. The rally in March, April, May created a ton of whales. They created a bunch of people that have a large ownership of these altcoins that are now dumping and causing downwards pressure on them. And as a result, the pain is continuing. And with tokens like Safemoon, until they launch their blockchain, until they launch their exchange, things won't really change. Even though Safemoon has 2.5 million holders that are willing to take advantage of Safemoon's products and really, use them to cause substantial volume, those products haven't been launched yet. So until they come out in December, November, October, a few months from now, the pain will most likely continue as whales continue to exit their positions and cause downwards pressure. Again with the example of Safemoon, there were multiple beautiful technical breaks that resulted in short-term beautiful moves that looked like they were going to continue. But again, whales are still in control, so until either whales are wiped out or until substantial volume is generated, the pain will most likely continue. Now that's what I've learned as a trader, but as an investor, I've learned that it's important to manage your risk and to diversify your positions. Personally, I've only invested money I'm willing to lose in these altcoins, and I've made a lot of money through this, and I've lost a substantial amount of money as well. But the fact of the matter is that you need to risk manage, because these altcoins, believe it or not, aren't established yet. They have a lot of promises that they're working on, but at the end of the day, they're still risky, and as a result, that's why there generally isn't as much volume as there is with these altcoins compared to more established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. And that's why it's also important to diversify. Too many people I see are going all in or claiming they put their entire life savings into these altcoins. Now, I've been a big championer of people not doing that. I've told you guys in the comment sections, be smart, only invest as much money as you're willing to lose. But a lot of people fail to understand this and don't diversify. So it's important to diversify. See other projects. Your Safemoon, your NFT Art Finance might be the next big thing. But till then, you won't want to lock up all your money in such a thing that could end up continuing lower and lower. You want to diversify so that you can maximize your gains in the long term. Like Warren Buffett himself said, the master of investing, you want to diversify. Diversification is key, so that if one investment doesn't perform, at least you have 10 other investments that can make up for the losses of that one investment. And this brings me to my last and final point, which is as a creator, I've learned that I need to diversify my content for my audience. Now, prior to making Safemoon videos and videos on crypto in general, I used to make a lot of videos on the stock market and stock picks like Elastic NV, which I called at $80 went to $160. I called out Domo at $30 that went up to $90 a share. Then stocks like MongoDB, which I called at 200, went up to all the way to 400. And stocks like Neo, I called at 10, went up all the way to about 50. And so many more high growth quality tech stocks. These are type of investments that I have the majority of my money in, because these are quality companies that can continue to grow steadily and provide 100% returns in literally less than a year since I've called them out. But with my focus on these cryptocurrencies, I haven't been able to share these companies with you, share new investments that I've been making with the community. And that's why I'm beginning to diversify my content and sharing more stock picks so that you guys in the Safemoon community, in the NFT Art Finance community, in the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano community can diversify your portfolios into stock investments as well. Quality stocks that can move a lot, as well as being able to trade more safer securities on the daily. So all around, these are things that I've learned throughout my time in the crypto markets that I hope a lot of you can take away as well. There's going to be a shift in the content that I begin making as I push more towards stable investments and quality stock picks that can return high growth potentials, as well as how to trade various stocks on the daily that can provide significant returns. I definitely plan to continue making updates on the altcoin market, but overall I hope you guys can take away some key lessons from this and continue growing your portfolios in the long term. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.